If you still have issues with your buttercream, then you should watch this video till the end because I'll be sharing a perfect buttercream recipe with you. I'll be showing you how to color it properly. I'll also be sharing with you how to pipe using 3 different nozzles. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make buttercream from the comfort of your home, your kitchen, anywhere you are. This buttercream recipe, you can use it to frost your cupcakes. You can use it to decorate your food cakes. Anything that you would regularly use your buttercream to decorate, you can use this recipe to do. It's super duper easy and straightforward. So let's get right into today's video. For this recipe, I have icing sugar, of course, that I've already sieved because I don't want to go through all of that stress on this video. So it has already been sieved. I have icing sugar here. I have margarine. I have one special thing, shortening, and I also have 2 flavors. So this is vanilla flavor and butterscotch flavor. We're going to be experimenting sort of. I have my mixing bowl, spatula, and a hand mixer. If you do not have an hand mixer, you can use your spatula or a turning stick, anything that just gets the job done. So first things first, I'm going to be mixing this shortening just to make it light. Then I'll add the margarine and then the icing sugar and the other things. So let's go. So the shortening first, and the shortening is 100 gram. Make sure you watch this video till the end because there's a special ingredient again that I'll be adding. So watch till the end. So the shortening now, I'm going to mix it just a little bit. So this is what I have. Just just to mix it slightly. Then the next thing is to add in the margarine. So one good thing about mixing these two together is that the color of the shortening is going to lighten up the color of the margarine. You know, margarine is always very yellow. So now we're going to mix this till it is light, pale, and not too light. Not too, I mean, the color is going to be light, but it's not that it's going to be too soft. If it's too soft, your buttercream is going to be way soft and you'll not be able to handle it, especially if you want to use it to decorate your cake. So don't over mix. I'm going to set a time so that you can know what you're working with. At intervals, make sure you are scraping the bowls at intervals. You see, it has not even totally mixed and the color is already changing, and that's the effect of the shortening inside it. So I've been mixing it for about 3 minutes and this is what I have. This is what I have. Can you see that? So it's light, it's pale, and it's not too soft. It has not been overmixed. So depending on the speed of your mixer, within 3 to 4 minutes, max 5 minutes is ready. So like I said, it's straightforward. It's an easy recipe. You can easily recreate it. And I want to see your creations. Now that the margarine and shortening has been well incorporated, they are mixed, I'm going to start adding the icing sugar in bits. So now the buttercream is almost ready, you guys. Can you see that? The consistency is not so too soft. You can easily pipe with this. You can easily decorate with this. Can you see that? Okay. So now the secret ingredient that I mentioned earlier, I'm going to be adding it. I'm also going to be adding my flavors. So let me get my measuring spoon. Now this is butterscotch flavor. I'm going to be using half TSP. And then vanilla flavor, I'm also going to be using half TSP. So I'll mix this together with my spatula. And the final step is the drum rolls. Okay, so we have the liquid whipped cream here. Um, if you cannot access liquid whipped cream, you can use um, milk. You can use condensed milk. You can use UHT milk. You can use liquid whipping cream. Now, the disadvantage, you can leave your buttercream like this. If you don't have any cream, you can leave it like this and it's ready. But the advantage of adding this kind of cream is that it makes it taste different, taste unique, and then it just enhances the taste. Now, the downside, that's the disadvantage, is that it reduces the shelf life. You know, it's milk, and most times we don't put this kind of buttercream in the fridge. But if you are using butter, real butter, instead of using margarine, you can put it in the fridge. So then it increases the shelf life. But if you're not going to put it in the fridge, you have to take note that this reduces the shelf life. So now I've added that. You can use evaporated milk, you can use UHT milk, um, they all work. So I'm going to mix it together. The taste is going to be so delicious. Oh my god. So it thins it out, it makes it thin out. So that's why you do not have to overmix in the first place, because the milk that you add is going to thin it. Like it's going to make it very soft. So now the buttercream is ready. Now, this is not even all. I'm going to be showing you three different ways that you can pipe this buttercream. So stay tuned. Now, I want to color it. I want to show you how to color. This is my buttercream. Once it's ready, you can see how silky this looks. Very, 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 very nice. So to color it, most of the times you want to use liquid food color or gel colors. So however deep you want the color to be. So now I have a very sweet shade of pink. This shade looks so fine. Can you see that? If you want it darker, you add more. If you want it lighter, you reduce the color shade that you're going to add. Now I'm going to be showing you how to pipe. I have three nozzles here and I have a big board here. This is a round mouth. This is a rosette mouth and this is a static. Depends on the brand that you're using. These are Cogsy. They're Cogsy brands. You can use Wilton as well. This is usually Wilton 1M. This is Cogsy 864. But just take note of the mouth. So depending on the brand that you're buying, this is how they look. So I'm going to fill in the piping bags with, and the piping bags are also Wilton. I'm going to fill them with the buttercream and then show you the different designs that you can achieve with the piping tip. Can you see that? This is one. There you go. So as usual, avoid air bubbles. This is hair, so you want to take it out. So now let's start with the Wilton 1M. So if you want to make a rosette, you want to, where should I start? You want to do as if you're writing small letter E. So, but instead of the mouth opening up, it's closing. That's it. Small letter E and then close it. So if you're writing a small letter E, you are doing like this. This is also a design, but you want it to be closed. So over again, and that's it. Over again, and that's it. Closed. Small letter E, and it's closed. Now on this one, for this one, it's just like we're writing small letter E, but we're not closing it. Can you see that? And that's it. So at the same time, with this same nozzle, you can just do a small star. Just press it down, and you have a beautiful, beautiful design. Once again, with just the little one that we have here, you can do a double rosette or triple one. So it just goes up. Small letter E that keeps going over and over and over. Can you see? Beautiful. So this buttercream that we just made pipes really, really beautiful. Before I finish, we can do this one more time, and that's it. Moving on to the next one, which is the one with the open mouth. You can do the same thing, just like you're pressing it. Can you see that? Beautiful. Just press it, and then you have something like an ice cream. Look at that. And that's it. So you can also have a small dot. So press it, and then you want to have the sharp edge, sharply remove it from the end, and that's it. Beautiful. Oh my god, these are so cute. At the same time, you can use this um like this. So press it, let it puff, and then break it down. Press, let it puff, and that's it. And lastly, we have this. Can you see that? So we can do the same thing we did here, just like using a rosette, but with this kind of mouth. I'm making a rosette with this kind of mouth. So we're doing the small letter E as usual. Can you see that? But it's closed. So small letter E, but it's closed. Can you see that? Now, I want to repeat this one that we did over here, this, for using this nozzle. Beautiful, isn't it? Um, we can also repeat this one here. So this is the shell piping. So to achieve this, all you just need is to push it and make sure it pops, and then remove it gently. Push. So you have more volume at the beginning, and then when you are trying to end it, you reduce your volume. You reduce the pressure. So volume, reduce pressure, and that's it. Volume, reduce the pressure. Volume, reduce the pressure, and that's it. Isn't it beautiful? Oh my god, guys, this looks so beautiful. They all look very beautiful. So with these three, you can use this to design cupcakes, you can use it to decorate your cookies, you can use it to pipe on a fully decorated cake as well. Like, the list is endless. We can do this as well. That's the double rosette, even though the cream is almost finished. Can you see that? Oh my god, they all look so beautiful, and this shade of pink pops really well. These are the beautiful piping techniques that I've shown you in today's video, and I expect that after watching this video you should be able to prepare your own buttercream. You should be able to color it very well. You should also be able to pipe all of this kind of piping. Like, you should be able to do it. They're super duper easy, and they're beautiful. Like, I don't feel like touching it. So, if you get these piping bags, get the piping tips, go to any baking store, you should be able to get it, and then you should be able to do this by practicing. Rome wasn't built in a day, so you have to practice and be consistent. With consistency and practice, you should be able to do this. For that, your next baby's birthday, for that family function, you can use it to frost cupcakes, you can use it to frost your cookies. So, fun activities for the children. Just get creative using all of the piping tips. There are more, but these are just the common ones that everybody uses. So even the big bakeries, they use basically these piping tips. I hope this video helps you. I'm going to be linking some of my cake recipes that I've shared in the description box. Just check it, and It's going to be somewhere on this video, so check it out. If you would like to have a one-on-one class with me, check the description box. There's a link to chat with me directly on WhatsApp. You can always chat with me. If you want to check up with my day-to-day activities, check me out on TikTok and Instagram at Most Cakery as well. Everywhere, Most Cakery. Also, if you're a business owner and you do not know what to post on your social media platforms every day, I have a content calendar for you, a 30-day content calendar. Templates are there, just pick it, restructure it, re-strategize it to your niche, and then post every day. As usual, as I would always say, start now, start small, but dream big. Don't procrastinate. These things were not born with me. I wasn't born with them. I just practice, continuous practicing. So this one that I've shared with you today, practice it, be consistent, and then you might even be better than me. Who knows? So take an action. If you are new here, please subscribe to the channel, share the videos, give this video a thumbs up, share my videos. Don't keep me, as I always say, don't keep me as your best kept secret. Share it with other people that would learn. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.